To create a double crochet, it is simple. You are going to yarn over, put our hook through the stitch. We're going to yarn over and grab that yarn and bring it back through that stitch so we have 3 loops. Then we're going to yarn over again, go through 2 loops, yarn over, go through 2 loops. I will do that again with you. We're going to yarn over, we're going to put it through our stitch, yarn over, pull it through our stitch. We have 3, yarn over 2, yarn over, pull through 2. I'll do a few more for you to watch.